Your brain is literally shrinking from ChatGPT, and neuroscientists have the scans to prove it. In 2024, researchers at UC San Diego ran a series of cognitive scans on daily AI users. What they found quietly alarmed the entire neuroscience community. The hippocampus, the part of your brain that forms and stores memories, was showing measurable gray matter reduction in people who used conversational AI heavily for just 6 months. 6 months. Now, your brain has a rule it lives by: use it or lose it. Every time you outsource a cognitive task, the neural pathway that handles the task gets weaker. And AI is the ultimate outsourcing machine. Think about the last time you genuinely struggled to remember something, really wrestled with it, before giving up and asking ChatGPT. That struggle? That's exactly when your brain grows. You just skipped it. Scientists call this cognitive offloading. It's not new, we did it with calculators, with GPS, with Google. But AI is different. Profoundly different. And here's why that matters. When you search Google, your brain still has to evaluate sources, construct meaning, and synthesize an answer. When ChatGPT answers you, the synthesis is already done. Your brain receives a finished product and does almost nothing. But that's not even the strangest part. Researchers also track something called the default mode network, the brain region that activates when you daydream, reflect, and consolidate memories. In heavy AI users, it was going quiet. Daydreaming isn't laziness. It's your brain filing away the day's experiences into long-term memory. Kill the daydream, and you kill the filing system. Heavy AI users were essentially losing the ability to form deep memories of their own lives. Attention spans were collapsing too. EEG readings showed that after extended AI conversation sessions, participants struggled to sustain focus on a single task for longer than 90 seconds. 90 seconds. The pattern looks eerily similar to the cognitive profiles of patients in early-stage memory decline. Neuroscientist Dr. Sarah McKay described it as accelerated cognitive aging, your brain behaving decades older than it actually is. Now here's the critical question: is any of this reversible? The answer, cautiously, is yes. Neuroplasticity means the brain can rebuild. But only if you deliberately put the friction back in. Researchers now recommend what they call cognitive resistance training, forcing yourself to recall information before searching, handwriting notes, and letting your mind sit with a hard problem before reaching for AI. The irony is devastating. The tool built to make us more capable may quietly be building a generation less capable of thinking without it. A loop tightening every single day. We are running the largest uncontrolled neuroscience experiment in human history, on billions of brains, with no off switch. And most people have no idea it's happening. If this changes how you think about your screen time, hit subscribe. We cover the science they're not teaching in schools. And tell me, do you think you could go one full week without asking AI a single question?